edition of Second Grade News. Today is Thursday, October 8th, 2020. Please stand and join Brandon as he says our Pledge of Allegiance.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which stands one nation, under God, indivisible, and liberty and justice for all.
Awesome job, guys. Now, remember, today is Thursday, so that means we are going to be looking at our nonfiction reader in reading. So you have a Nearpod that goes along with this week's lesson. We've been learning about spiders all week, but today we're going to read a story about ants. And we're going to be comparing and contrasting spiders and ants. So I hope you can find lots of similarities and differences between spiders and ants. In math, we are going to be moving on along in our 2-digit plus 2-digit addition problems. So we're going to be working these out we're using a different strategy today, and you guys are going to do great because y'all have been killing it on the other strategies that we have been using. We're also going to finish up a couple more items for our checklist, and we are almost done with all of that, and I'm so proud of how hard you guys are working. You guys are really impressing me, and let me tell you something. My favorite thing about this is that I can tell that most of you are doing this work all by yourself, and that makes me so happy because I'm seeing a lot of really good scores, and that just makes me know, it just shows how hard you've been working this 9 weeks, and you guys are doing a fabulous job. So we have a couple more things to finish up with checklist today. We're going to do some more checklist stuff tomorrow, one-on-one, and then we're going to finish up checklist on Monday. So you guys are doing a fabulous job. Now, let's go ahead and move on into our calendar segment, and then we'll get started with our Thursday. All right, guys, let's get this day started with a calendar lesson. All right, so let's look at what day of the week is it today. First, we're going to say our days of the week together. We always start with Sunday. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good. Now, yesterday was Wednesday. If yesterday was Wednesday, that means today is going to be Thursday, and tomorrow will be Friday. Now, let's look at our mystery shape and color for the day. We know that our pattern so far has been A, A, B, A, A, C. And we know that B and C are very similar because they're both rectangles, but one of them is a vertical rectangle and one of them is a horizontal rectangle. All right? So, just by looking at our pattern so far, what do we think is going to be under this tag? I want you to pause your video really quick, draw a picture, color it in, and come right back, okay? If you thought that a orange circle was coming next, you are correct. Kiss your brain. And we need to label that as A, right? Because all of our circles, our orange circles, are letter A, okay? So we know that today is the 8th. Let's spell our month together. Here we go. O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October. Very good. So let's say today's date together. Today is Thursday, October 8th, 2020. Very good. Let's go ahead and add a number in our hundreds chart. So we know that we're counting across the row on our hundreds chart, which means we are increasing by 1. And we can double check it by making sure that the number is going down the row, which is increasing by 10s. And so the number in our 10s place is changing, but the number in our 1s place is not. All right? Let's go ahead and add a 1's cube to our hundreds, 10s, and 1s chart. So use that marker, draw and color in another 1's cube, and now we have 4 10s and 3 1s. So our number of the day is 43. We are going to add a penny to our pocket, and we know our pennies are worth 1 cent. Let's say our other coins in our poems for today. Here we go, starting with nickels. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents. I know that. Very good. All right, let's look at our dime. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. So our dimes are worth 10, and then our quarter. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. Very good. All right, so we're going to start counting by 25s, moving into 10s for those dimes and 5s for our nickels. Here we go. 25, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43. So today we have 43 cents, or we could say that we have $0 and 43 cents. Very good. Let's go ahead and add another minute around our clock. Because remember, we're walking 1 minute at a time. And let's count to see how far around the clock we've gone. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43. So a lot of our stuff has that magic number 43 in it today. All right, here we go. We're going to be looking at our pattern of the day. Today we're going to be counting by 5s, and we're going to start at the number 325. So 325. I want you to pause your video and count from 325 to, I don't know, by 5s. Come on back and check your answer when you are finished. Here we go. 325, 330, 335, 340, 345, 350, 355, 360, 365, whoops, 370. Good job, guys. I will see you in just a little bit for reading groups.